The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is a powerhouse designed for gamers and performance enthusiasts. It features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2448 resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and excellent responsiveness. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and supports HDR10 for enhanced color and contrast. Processor, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3 nanometers. It boasts an octa-core CPU with Oryon V2 cores clocked at up to 4.32 GHz. Memory, 2 variants. 16 GB RAM with 512 GB storage and 24 GB RAM with 1 TB storage, using UFS 4.0 for lightning-fast performance. Cameras, triple rear cameras include a 50MP main sensor, 32MP ultra-wide, and 13MP macro, with a 32MP front camera. It supports up to 8K video recording with HDR10. Battery, a massive 5,800 mAh battery with 65W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging ensures extended gaming sessions. Design, retains the ROG signature gaming aesthetic with RGB lighting and advanced cooling, including vapor chamber and aeroactive cooler support. The phone runs Android 15 with a gaming-optimized interface, supports dual SIM with 5G, and includes premium features like an under-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and 2 USB-C ports for versatility in gaming setups. Thank you so much.